Well, welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone.
Hi.
So this evening we have a load of logs coming in. These logs are not firewood logs. It's a big load and it should be here by 8:30. He might be a little bit late because he's coming 7.5 hours away total. So we'll let you know what's going to be happening with those logs. And of course plans change all the time. We're over here on the lot across the road at the river this afternoon. A beautiful sunny day.
Gorgeous.
And I've got the weekend off from work, so I'm enjoying it. So follow us along and we'll let you know what we got going on here.
Well, it is 9:30 at night on Tuesday. I thought I would bring you along to show you what Jeff and I have decided to buy. And it just got here, so we will take a look at it. These logs just came in. They're from Fairbanks. Look how many tires are on the ground for this load. Holy smokes. Don't know what we're going to do with it. Make a few bundles, I guess. That's that trailer. And this was the other trailer that was attached to it. Holy smokes, I think I can make a bundle or two. I don't know how tall these racks are, but holy smokes. Oversized, I'd say so. Look how big those logs are. They're huge. Now, if you're going to get a load of logs, this is the way to do it. Look how tall that is. Holy smokes. And this isn't even the biggest one, but my hand kind of gives you an idea of how big this one is, and that one up there is even bigger. And here is Jeff.
So do you think Jill can tail these 50-foot logs? Those are going to be some heavy slabs. So we got a little bit of firewood and a lot of nice saw logs. The logs are 50 feet in diameter on this truck, and we have 38 tires on the ground. So this is a nice load. So Tom brought this down to us tonight all the way from Fairbanks, 7.5 hours one way, he said. I wouldn't want to pay the fuel bill. So we're going to get unloaded, and we're going to do some, we're going to trip the bunks here. We're going to get unloaded, and Jill will keep going with us.
Oh yeah, and this is Tom, our driver. Kind of gives you a little bit better idea of how long these logs are. Oh, now he's getting fancy. Look at that, 3 at a time. He's getting real fancy. Well, now he's gotten fancy. Well, the little trailer is empty now. Now we just have the big guy. What a nice looking load of spruce. Now I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, now we know. Now we know what's happening. Well, that's one way to get the logs off.
So this is the logs that are left over from that load. And let me explain to you what we did. We've been trying to get some spruce saw logs, and we've bought quite a bit of firewood off in Tom, and he was working up in Fairbanks, which is from here about 7.5 hours one way with a log truck, and he had all this spruce. That was in a fire last summer. We had a big fire up that way, and they're logging the logs off. So he had all these 50-foot logs. The mills are getting kind of full, and wondered if we wanted a load, and we took it. It was pretty expensive, and they actually were too nice to saw. They were for a big log cabin. They would have made a beautiful cabin. So we bought them, and then the very next day, while I was at work, a gentleman stopped, and he was a log home builder, and he had really been looking for some nice logs, and he made us an offer we couldn't refuse. So I loaded them up, and he took them away. It took him 3 loads. So Tom's truck, when it came in, was 116 feet long from the front to the back, 38 tires on the ground, and I'm not going to tell you what it weighed, but the front load was 50 feet long, I think the logs were, and there was 40 on there, and the back trailer had 33 feet long logs, and then these 16s. So he's got a couple more loads. We may invest in another load. Time to saw them before they spoil. We've been so busy with the wood. There's some of the wood we've been picking up. I got 8 loads this week, and the new dually, new to us, is handling the wood pretty good, the logs. And then Jill processed this load into this dump trailer today, 2 cord, and that's going to also to Valdez, and just about 10 minutes ago we had another small one-cord trailer go to Valdez. So it's been busy in the WoodYard, of course, and I've hauled in 8 loads off of that job so far.
8 loads.
So I'm going this afternoon to get another load, and possibly tomorrow morning to get the 10th load. And we're still not cleaned up. He's cut 2 more lots, so we've got wood now to keep us busy.
Keep me busy?
Keep Jill busy. I did run the processor today. I cut a bunch of bundlewood for her.
He cut some spruce for me.
And a little bit of birch yesterday.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
So 3 trailers going out today, and if Jill gets back over, we're loading a dump trailer right now too, so maybe we can get that in the video for you.
Yeah, maybe.
So from the Alaska WoodYard, we keep the sawdust flying.
And thanks for coming along.